You've got the script. What you don't have is a week to record it, caption it, and rebuild the whole thing in 4 languages. Unmixr takes one script and returns the finished video, voiced, subtitled, and dubbed. Choose from thousands of natural voices or clone your own in 30 seconds, so your training sounds like your company, not a call center.
Hi,
Hello everyone, and welcome to our training video on ectopic pregnancies.
Let's start by understanding what ectopic actually means. The word itself.
Captions come with it. Timed, editable, ready to drop into your LMS. Need it in Spanish, German, Arabic? Pick the language and dub your first minute free. Same delivery, new audience. Onboarding modules, compliance refreshers, product walkthroughs, a course library that updates in an afternoon instead of a quarter. Make your first output and a 7-day trial opens up. Full workflow, real projects, no card. One script, voiced, subtitled, and dubbed. Start free at unmixr.com.